Okay, hello team, we're back. And today we're going to talk about updating or changing your personal IBO information, ladies and gentlemen. So what we're going to do is, if you want to go to your profile page and you want to change the information, we're going to go there to see exactly what is it that you need to do and, what function is each function is for. So, of course, you'll come back down here to this arrow with your name, and you go to change settings. And we'll go over one by one what each one means so you can understand what that means. Now, the first one is your avatar, ladies and gentlemen. It's also here on the left-hand side. It's pretty much the same thing. When you go to avatar, ladies and gentlemen, this is what your picture is going to look like when someone goes to your website or when you log into your website. So, if you give out your website, ladies and gentlemen, totallifechanges.com/whatever, your avatar is going to be there. So let's do that right now so you can see exactly what we're talking about. totallifechanges.com/. So when someone gets your personal replicated website, your picture will go right here. So you want to add a picture, ladies and gentlemen. So this way the person can actually see that it's actually you, and they know that you're on your website. So you want to definitely add your avatar there, add your picture under that setting there. So that's what that is right there. So whenever whatever picture you add here, it's going to show up here if someone goes to your personal replicated website. And your picture will show up there. So now the next option is, of course, is your name, and so for your IBO number, email. Now this is also another important one, ladies and gentlemen. Now Total Life Changes does give you the ability to change what is called your web handle or your personal replicated website. So if you click on edit, as you can see, the website, as you can see here, is totallifechanges.com/lookinggood3. Okay, see right here? totallifechanges.com/lookinggood3 takes me to my personal website. Okay, so you can actually change that, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to. So you don't have to leave it the same. And once you change it and put something there, the company will let you know if that username or web handle is available. Once you do that, you just hit save changes, and that will be your new web handle. Also, very important, your username. Now, a lot of us, when they did this new change or this new back office migration, a lot of us cannot log in with our usernames. That's because the company has default set up the username to be your IBO number. So if you want to go back to the old way where you had it before, because I've always logged in with my username, and when they changed the back office over, I noticed I had to put in my IBO number. So ladies and gentlemen, I went back and I changed it, and I put back my old username. So if you want to do that, you're going to come here, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, default, as I said before, the IBO number is what's showing up. Just click on edit. You type in your username that you want it there, and you're good to go. Because what happens is this, ladies and gentlemen, when you log into the back office for the very first time, the company takes you to a page where they're going to ask you to, put your username and password. It will be there on that page. But if you don't change it here, it will not be effective, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you come here to change it. So that way you can actually use whatever username you want. You must change it here as well. And of course you get save changes. And then you can also edit your password, whatever your password that you want to choose. Also your language. We have the different languages, ladies and gentlemen. English, Spanish, Korea, Chinese, French, Philippine, okay, Russian. Okay, so you also want to edit what language you want to use for your replicated website, okay? And then, of course, your address information, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Text messages, so forth like that, self-explanatory. Okay, and as I said before, I did a video on the payout method, whether you want to check or Payoneer. Transfer points to credits. I will be talking about this. I'm going to be doing a separate video about this because this is very powerful, but I'll let you know exactly what it is. What this option is, ladies and gentlemen, transfer points to credits. How it works is this. When you get your commissions, okay, you can pretty much set it up at where it's called a point bank or a credits bank, meaning that you can use those credits and transfer to someone in your organization, or you can use it to make purchases. So you can actually take a set amount, a flat rate of your commissions. You can type in, let's just say $50. I want $50 every week to come out of my commission to go into credits. Or you can take a percentage, whether it's 2%, 3%, 10% of your commissions to be transferred into credits. Now, what you can do with those credits is that you can actually use those credits to make purchases, or you can actually transfer those credits to someone in your organization, anyone in your downline. Let's just say something, James Bond did not have enough points, to make an order for his auto ship. You can actually transfer those 80 points to his back office, and he'll be able to make a purchase, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very powerful. I'll be doing a separate video about that, but that's what that is as far as transferring points to credits. Binary replacement, we talked about that before, ladies and gentlemen. I did a video about this. How you want your people to be placed, either out of left, out of right. Balanced bill, meaning that the company's going to do it for you automatically, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's select volume for the week, meaning that the computer's going to put them, your new person based on, whoever has a smaller volume for that week. And of course, your strong leg volume for the week. So that's your preferred information. Then of course, you got your website information, your name. Now, in order to do a name change, ladies and gentlemen, you would have to email the company for them to do a name change once you established your account. Same thing with your social. Now, this is pretty cool here. Your social media. Ladies and gentlemen, you're able to put all your social media links here and set it up. So this way, once anybody goes on your website, okay, and they go to the bottom, right down here, they'll be able to follow you. They can click here, go to your Instagram page, click there to go to your Facebook page. So it's pretty cool to go ahead and set that up, ladies and gentlemen, because all your social media links, if someone, wants to follow you, they can just click on your buttons, and then you'll have it right there, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it as far as your IBO information and your personal information. Just get familiar with your back office, ladies and gentlemen. Everything's pretty much easy and self-explanatory. Same thing here with these tabs right here. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is our training video on your personal information. Take care.